In a dramatic legal twist, the Trump administration has formally appealed a judge's ruling that deemed the mass dismissal of nearly 25,000 probationary federal employees likely illegal. This appeal marks a significant escalation in the ongoing battle surrounding the controversial firings, a sweeping purge orchestrated under the guise of enhancing government efficiency. Initially shrouded in ambiguity and scattered reports, the true scale of these terminations has finally been acknowledged in court documents. The filings confirm the staggering number. Approximately 25,000 recently hired individuals lost their jobs, a seismic shift within the federal workforce. This unprecedented action, undertaken under the controversial leadership of billionaire Elon Musk's so-called Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, has sent shockwaves through the federal system and ignited intense public scrutiny. While the Trump administration previously skirted direct acknowledgement of the firing's magnitude, the court filings represent a complete about-face. This admission, however reluctant, confirms the widespread concerns and media reports regarding the extensive nature of these dismissals. The sheer volume of terminations suggests a coordinated and deliberate strategy, far beyond simple performance-based dismissals. Critics immediately raised alarm bells, suggesting a politically motivated purge aimed at dismantling the federal bureaucracy. The judge's initial ruling, which declared the mass firings likely unlawful, provided a crucial legal victory for the affected employees. It signaled a potential path toward reinstatement and compensation for the abrupt and arguably illegal loss of their livelihoods. However, the Trump administration's appeal aims to overturn this ruling, delaying the potential return of thousands to their positions and delaying any potential legal redress. The appeal, filed in a Richmond, Virginia appeals court, seeks a stay of the lower court's decision, effectively halting the reinstatement process until the higher court renders its verdict. This strategic maneuver buys the Trump administration valuable time, potentially delaying or even preventing the return of the dismissed workers. The implications are far-reaching, not only for the affected individuals facing financial hardship and career disruption, but also for the broader principles of due process and fair employment practices within the federal government. The ensuing legal battle promises to be complex and protracted, raising profound questions about executive power, the rule of law, and the accountability of government officials. The outcome will have lasting consequences, shaping future employment practices within the federal government and setting important precedents for protecting the rights of public employees against arbitrary and potentially illegal dismissals. The appeal's success or failure will hinge on the court's interpretation of employment law and its assessment of the evidence presented by both sides. This case has undeniably placed the Trump administration's actions under the intense scrutiny of the legal system and public opinion, and the fight for justice is far from over. The stakes are high, and the future of these 25,000 workers hangs in the balance.